tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the HP Officejet 5745 wireless all-in-one printer. This incredible device is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their home office or small business setup. With its sleek design and array of features, it's the perfect solution for those seeking versatility and high-quality output. One of the standout aspects of the HP Officejet 5745 is its all-in-one productivity. This means you can print, copy, scan, fax, and even print photos, all from one compact device. Imagine having the capability to handle all your office tasks with ease, without the need for separate machines. This is especially ideal for students, home offices, and small businesses, where space and efficiency are crucial. Whether you're working on a project, need to scan documents, or want to print out family photos, this printer has got you covered. The convenience and flexibility it offers are unparalleled, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. The high-quality output of the HP Officejet 5745 is another feature that truly impresses. With up to 1200 by 1200 DPI black text and up to 4800 by 1200 optimized DPI color resolution, you can expect crisp, clear prints every time. But what really sets it apart is its ability to print borderless photos up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches, giving you lab-quality pictures that are perfect for framing or sharing with friends and family. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves to print out memories, this feature is sure to delight. The level of detail and color accuracy is stunning, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. The wireless connectivity and mobile printing capabilities of the HP Officejet 5745 are also worth mentioning. With built-in Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N, Ethernet, and USB, you can easily print and scan from your smartphones, tablets, and laptops using HP apps or network connections. This means you can work from anywhere, at any time, without being tethered to your desk. The convenience of being able to print documents or photos directly from your mobile device is a huge time saver, and the reliability of the connection ensures that your prints are always of the highest quality. Plus, with the HP app, you can monitor ink levels, print photos, and even scan documents directly to your phone or cloud storage. Another key feature of the HP Officejet 5745 is its automatic duplex printing and 25-sheet ADF. This means you can save paper by automatically printing on both sides of the page, reducing your environmental footprint and cutting down on waste. The 25-sheet automatic document feeder also streamlines your workflow, allowing you to quickly scan, copy, and fax multiple documents at once. This is especially useful for businesses or individuals who need to handle large volumes of paperwork, as it saves time and increases productivity. The ease of use and efficiency of these features make them a valuable addition to any home office or small business setup. In terms of maintenance and affordability, the HP Officejet 5745 uses HP 62/HP 62XL ink cartridges, which are widely available and offer a cost-effective solution for printing. The printer also supports HP's cartridge recycling programs, which helps reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. With a recommended print volume of 300 to 400 pages per month, you can enjoy reliable performance and high-quality output without breaking the bank. The Easy Ink management system also ensures that you're always notified when ink levels are low, so you can plan ahead and avoid running out of ink at critical moments. In conclusion, the HP Officejet 5745 wireless all-in-one printer is an incredible device that offers a wealth of features and benefits for home offices, small businesses, and students. With its all-in-one productivity, high-quality output, wireless connectivity, automatic duplex printing, and easy ink management, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to elevate their printing experience. If you're in the market for a reliable, versatile, and affordable printer, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP Officejet 5745 today and discover a world of printing possibilities.